Welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. I also share tips on Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SWOT analysis with a weather theme. The SWOT analysis stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats, and it's used in business. And just let me get rid of this. Insert, Shapes, and I'm just going to create 4 squares. So no shape fill, shape outline, black, copy, paste. Shapes. Franklin Gothic. All right, now we go to insert, shapes, and we just look for the sun. Use that, change it to fill, yellow, effects, bevel, round, shape outline. I'm just going to change it to brown. Then I'm going to give it a glow. Choose that one. Insert, shapes. I'm going to choose the parallelogram. Shape outline, no outline. I'm going to select the format shape, pattern fill. I'm going to select this one, vertical stripes, and color, leave that one. So that's going to be rain. Now we need a cloud. Insert, shapes. Here's the cloud. I'm going to go into shape styles, select one of these. Let's take that one. Shape effects, bevel, like that. Just see, move it over here, this over here. So those are the weaknesses. Opportunities, we're going to have a combination of cloud and sun. So I'm going to take this, copy, paste. Let's change it a little bit. Like that, and then shape format. I'm going to say shape format. Let's just see here. Make it lighter. This one, shape effects, bevel, same bevel, sun, copy, paste. I'm going to make it smaller, send to back, and we're going to have it like it's peeking out. Now for the threats, we'll take our same cloud here, copy, paste. And we can also go into the second icon here and increase the width, make it more 3D like. Same with this one here. Let's see, that's 9 and that's 10.5, so let's do that. Right about there. Okay. And for this one, we're going to add a lightning bolt. Here we go. Change it around this way. Shape fill. Shape effects, bevel. Give it some bevel. Shape outline. Like that. Send to back. And that's it. Thanks for watching.